Welcome to Resairchia's YouTube channel. My name is Jorge, and in this video I want to introduce you to two new libraries I've been working on. They will be both available on my GitHub. You can check the comments for finding it. The first one is an Aerospace library. I'm working on many different components, but since it's still not even an alpha version, the only one that is available is the lifting line theory, developed by Ludwig Prandtl years ago. With this model, you can design a fixed wing and predict the lift coefficient. The theory has many limitations, but it's still useful for wing design. The other library is the NumberTheory library. In this library, you will find functions for obtaining the factorial, the binomial coefficients, the Bernoulli numbers, and a model for testing them and obtain values of the Zeta function. This NumberTheory library is still at a very early stage, so there will be errors associated to them, but I'm working on improving it. Thank you so much for watching, and send me your feedback if you can.